Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys 4 hijab styles that have chest coverage. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. First style is a tie back style. So for this, I'm using a scarf from Amalina Amani. You're just going to have your scarf at equal lengths and place it over your head and pin under your chin. Next, adjust the back to the desired coverage at the back that you want, and then take one side and flip the whole thing to the back just like this. With the other side, kind of hold and measure how long you want the chest coverage to be, and then with the excess fabric, that's what you're going to use to tie it together with the other fabric just now, like this. Once that's done, this is the finished look. All you have to do next is just neaten up the drapes and you are good to go. For number 2, just have one side longer than the other side, and I will recommend for the shorter one to be around your waist area. So similarly, pin under your chin, take the shorter side and wrap it around your neck and tuck it within itself. With the excess fabric, just bring it around your neck and adjust the desired chest coverage that you want and drape it over the excess over your shoulder. And then similarly, just adjust the drapes, adjust the fabric according to your liking and neaten it up, and use a pin, or in my case I'm using a hijab magnet to secure everything in place. You can also secure with a pin on the other side of your shoulder as well, and then I'm just neatening up the fabric so that everything looks neat. You can also tuck in the excess underneath so that you're just left with this very nice drape at the front. For number 3, instead of pinning under your chin, you're going to pin it onto the other side of your head. So you can do it equal lengths or one slightly shorter than the other. I'm going to pin it on at the side of my head with a straight pin, and with the excess fabric, I'm just going to bring it over my shoulder underneath the other piece of or the other side of the fabric. And then with the excess, I'm just going to kind of adjust to my desired look, and then I'm going to take another straight pin and secure it in place. Once that's done, all you have to do is just flip it over your shoulder literally, and this will create very nice drapes, and it's a good way to showcase your printed hijabs. So yeah, you can also secure the other side of your shoulder where you flip the other side, but I didn't. The 4th hijab style is the one that I had on in my Instagram photos. So start off with one side super short and one side super long, and pin it at the back of your head. Now, taking the longer side, you're going to kind of pin it at the side of your head just like this. You will have to adjust it from time to time to see what looks best for you, because we're going to use this to drape around the face, or rather to frame your face. So as you can see here, I'm trying to fiddling with the fabric, and once I'm happy with the placement, I'm going to secure it with a straight pin. Now that that's done, take the fabric and you're just going to frame your face. So this is where you can actually do the V-shaped face. As you can see, like you can cut the cheeks, like you're kind of contouring your face by doing this, and you're going to have yourself like very slim looking face like this, see? And then you're just going to bring it all around over your head, and you're just going to aim to cover that first pin that we placed earlier. And you can adjust the fabric that's on your head. You can put it like to the front, you can place it further back. I choose to put it like slightly further back, and once I'm happy with the placement, I am just going to secure it with a pin, and I'm also going to secure it on the other side as well. For extra security, you can also pin at the top, but I didn't do that. And once that's done, just neaten the drapes and neaten the fabric. And the best part about this hijab style is that you can do a lot of things with it. So for example, you can just leave it back. You can have that piece cascading down your back. You can even like make it go all cover your whole shoulder like this, so that you have like maximum chest coverage if that's something that you like. Or if you're like me, you want a little bit more draping and not so heavy fabric action going on, I just like to gather it at my shoulders, and then I'm just going to secure it with a hijab magnet. So I usually just secure on one side, but if you want, you can also secure it on another side or the other side of your shoulder as well, so that it doesn't move around. So very versatile this look. So for my sisters out there, you can try out this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And let me know if you try any of these chest coverage hijab looks. Thank you for watching. Bye!